The Cosmic Calendar by Abby Smith, Joe Fossey, and Scott Gibbons. In the book The Dragons of Eden, Carl Sagan asked, if you were to compress all of time into a calendar year, on what day would everything happen? January 1st. How did everything start? It started with a massive explosion called the Big Bang, the birth of our universe. May 11th. From a cloud of gas, our galaxy formed, due to the eventual cooling of the Big Bang. A galaxy is a collection of millions of stars just like our sun. September 1st. Our closest star, the Sun, was formed from a hot, spinning cloud of gas. September 9th. Our solar system is made up of 8 major planets, including Earth. These orbit the Sun, which is why we have seasons.
September 14th. Our Earth was formed as a hot, sticky mess, the orbital motion of the Sun through the rocks we live on together, which we now call our home. September 21st. How did we get to our lives today? Life started with simple, single-cell organisms called prokaryotes. They became the animals we know today. October 12th through 29th. These organisms began converting CO2 to oxygen, forming our atmosphere, which we breathe. November 8th through December 5th. The cells became more and more complex and even came together to form multicellular life. December 14th to 21st. Eventually, cells began to group together to form more complex organisms, like insects, fish, plants, and seeds. December 22nd through 28th. Evolution continued to create different types of animals, such as reptiles, amphibians, mammals, and birds. This is when dinosaurs ruled the earth.
December 30th. Then came the KT mass extinction, killing the dinosaurs in an asteroid impact. December 31st, New Year's Eve, from 6:05 a.m. to 11:44 p.m. It was only 2 days before the end of the year when the organisms became human-like. Then they started to create stone tools and use fire. 11:52 p.m. Only 8 minutes before midnight on the last day, the cavemen evolved into humans as we know them today. 11:59 and 32 seconds p.m. With a minute left, humans started to make art. They also started to farm, making them even more advanced. 11:59 and 48 seconds p.m. In the last 12 seconds, Egypt and other early civilizations rose. Astronomy was invented. 11:59 and 54 seconds to 58 seconds p.m. In the final few seconds, Greece and Rome rose and fell. Major religions like Christianity and Islam were founded. The Renaissance happened. 11:59 and 59 seconds p.m. Generations have lived and died in the final second of the year. America became a country. We landed on the moon, and you were born. Aren't we small?
September 9th. Our solar system is made up of 8 major planets, including Earth. These orbit the Sun. This is why we have seasons. Okay, that's just a bad sentence. September 14th. Our Earth was formed as a hot
Oh my god.
You catch that?
Yeah.
No. September 14th. Our Earth was formed as a